Hey my harmonies, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a full review of Umberto Giannini's curl jelly line. If you guys want to know if it works on 3C 4A curls, then just keep on watching. I've been putting my hair in a bun a lot lately and there's just so much product buildup, gel buildup. She's very dry, frizzy, not looking how the curls usually look. So I'm going to be using the Curl Jelly Wash and Curl Jelly Care to see how it works on my 3C 4A curls. With their Curl Jelly Wash, it is a curl defining shampoo with vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 is one of the best vitamins out there and you guys know I'm into vitamins like that. This is going to help soften and define each curl, and let me tell you about their products. They smell so good. To describe the smell in one word, I would say it smells like Barbie. It's like one of the best feminine smells. Like, it just smells so good, and all of the products in this line smell the same. This is also known to cleanse my hair without stripping my hair's essential oils. I'm making sure to focus the shampoo on my scalp since I have so much product buildup, but I am dragging down the product on my curls just to make sure that every piece of my hair is washed thoroughly. And I do want to say that this brand is vegan, cruelty free. With all of the products that I will be mentioning in this video, they are under $13 from Amazon. Then I'm going in with a scalp massager. It's just really relaxing to use, and it's also going to help with hair growth. I did that for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse out my hair with cool water. Not cold, but cool, just to lock in the moisture, but at the same time rinse out all of the gunk that I had in my hair. I will say right off the bat, I love this shampoo. My hair looks extra moisturized and you can still see the definition in my curls, and I have no product in my hair. So this shampoo is definitely for my curly coils. Next, we're going in with the Curl Jelly Care Defrizz Conditioner, and this is a moisturizing and detangling curl enhancing conditioner to defrizz, add bounce, and define. Formulated without silicones, of course, but like I was saying in this video, it still smells so good. If anything, I think it smelled more potent because it is more of a thicker consistency. I'm making sure that I apply this everywhere on my curls, and this is gonna add shine to my hair as well, so once I rinse out the product, my curls are gonna look extra shiny. Next, I'm going in with a detangling brush, and this is going to help penetrate the conditioner in my curls more, and it's going to help make my curls more defined. This is always in my routine regardless of like what product I'm using. I love using this brush. It is from Amazon. Same thing with everything that I'm showing in this video. I'm gonna let this product sit in my hair for about 20 minutes or until I'm done doing my shower routine. Then I'm gonna rinse out my hair with cold water this time to really lock in all the moisture from the conditioner. You know when a curly hair product or products works good in your hair, especially a shampoo and a conditioner, when you rinse out your hair and your waves are busting through. curls are really happy with the conditioner, so I approve of this conditioner for my 3C4A curls. Next, I'm just re-wetting my hair so the product can work better in my curls, and I'm going to be using the Curl Jelly Scrunching Jelly. It is known to be the perfect product for scrunch drying. It banishes frizz and adds shine with no crunchy feel. So pretty much this is a light hold jelly product. I am sectioning my hair to apply the product so it'll work better with my curls, and it'll help with frizz since I'm applying the product everywhere and not just certain parts of my hair. I part the hair, wet it, then add the product, and just redo it in that same routine. Part, re-wet, add the product. Now I'm using a different brush that's also going to help detangle my curls, but at the same time help them be more defined. By the way, I had gave myself a haircut about 2 years ago. I did film it and it is pretty viral. It's like almost at 500,000 views. If you want to know how I do my own DIY curly haircut, it'll be linked down below. This part of my hair is where I have the 4A curls, and I noticed with the curl jelly it did help maintain the curls a lot and still give them definition and not make them frizzy. Lastly, I'm gonna diffuse my curls, and I'm not gonna diffuse them all the way. I'm still gonna give my hair time to air dry. This is how my curls look after diffusing them for about 10 minutes or so. Just wanted to help give my curls more definition and more scrunched up. Next, I'm going to show you guys how my curls look after using the product for about a week or so. It's been about a week and a half, but I did have to reapply the curl jelly. That day was so humid. Like, my hair was not participating at all. Even though the curls were looking really nice, but I just know my hair and I know that it can be more defined. So I just had to reapply the products, and here we are a week later, and these are how my curls look. They look way more defined, and I did have to add some gel. I feel like with this curl jelly, it is more on the lightweight side. Personally, with my curly hair type, I wouldn't fully depend on this product by itself for my hair if I want to wear it out. With some gel and this, it's like the perfect combo so your curls can be more defined. I have about this much left with my curl type and like how much hair that I have. I think this can last me about 3 to 4 uses. I want to show you guys me using the Curl Jelly Refresh Curl Reviving Spray. I did already use it, as you can see, but I think I didn't show you guys me using it on camera yet. But this smells so good with their products, or at least with this line right here. They smell amazing. I feel like a Barbie every time I put this on. I'm wearing pink too, so I feel really Barbied out right now. Let me show you guys how my curls look in the back. They do have a mind of their own, so this front part right here is not gonna always match the back. They still look defined, but you can tell that I have like a totally different pattern in the back, like more on the 4B, 4A side. It's just more kinkier in the back. You probably noticed some frizz too, but it is what it is. For the Revive Spray, this is only for touch-ups. So let's say you didn't do your hair in 2 days. You don't have to use the curling jelly if you don't want to. This is just more on the lighter side than the curl jelly. Overall, with the curl jelly wash and the curl jelly care and the curl jelly and the reviving spray, these 4 products right here, I rate these a 9 just because this product by itself doesn't fully work how I want it to work in my hair. It's just more on the lightweight side. But these right here, the conditioner and the shampoo, 10 out of 10. These products define my hair too. The shampoo does not dry out my hair, and it has B5 in it, and B5 is a vitamin that we all need. My hair loves the defrizz conditioner. It really makes my hair defined, moisturized, hydrated. Once I rinse out the product, my hair still looks hydrated and defined. Let me know what you guys think about these products. Would you guys try them out for your curls? Let me know what other products that I should try out. All the products will be listed down below in my description box. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys love beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, girly content, any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, then you guys would definitely love it over here. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. And I'll see you guys in my next video.